Dia adanya waktunya dia satu tidak bisa begitu.
Dia sambil ngerjain yang lain tuh sambil, tapi dia nyalakan di alarmnya di jam flash sale-nya itu. Dia dapat Mi Band begini.
Jam 11 rupiah.
101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. This is an inspiration, smart listener. 101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. This is an inspiration. Good evening, smart listener. Welcome back to our English learning program, Smart Up Your Life. Grab your confidence in speaking English with me, Rifa Majid, as your host, and also with my friends from BPEC Makassar.
Hello.
Hi.
Smart listener.
Yes, so happy to see you again tonight, guys. So, how was your day? Is it good, awesome, or like a little bit cloudy, like our sky today?
Still awesome ya.
Oh, still awesome. All right, guys. And you, smart listener, we will very happy to invite you to have a conversation with us in this program. But before we have a discussion about our topic tonight, I will introduce my friends from BPEC Makassar one by one. The first one, absolutely, we have Mrs. Dewi here.
Hi.
How are you?
I couldn't be more than like looking at you. So pretty for today.
Oh, thank you. Is this because of my red lips?
Yeah.
Red lipstick?
and your outfit too. It seems so looks fit on you.
Oh, thank
as
you
a
so
pregnant-
much. Because I inspired by you.
Oh, thank you. Nice compliment.
Well, and the next one we have Mr. Paul is here. Hi, Mr. Iksan.
Hi.
So happy to see you again tonight.
Okay.
So, how was your day?
It was going well.
Okay.
But
Thank God.
nothing special.
No, nothing special. It's okay. So we have Mr. President at Shanghai.
Hi.
Yeah, in my life it's very, very good.
Your
Oh.
wife? Your wife?
Your
Yeah,
wife?
your wife.
Oh, it's
Oh.
our wife.
I heard he said my wife.
Oh, me too. That's why I asked him.
That is fine.
My wife.
No.
Live, yeah. Oh
No,
my
live.
God. Okay, please make it clear.
Okay.
Okay, and then we have Miss Adele.
Yes, hello smart listener. My name is Adele, and now I'm so pretty good today.
Oh yeah, you are pretty as always. Yeah. Well, smart listener, talking about our conversation tonight, we have an interesting topic that related to us as Indonesian people, right? But before that, let me introduce BPEC for you, and the people or the one who wants to introduce BPEC is Mr. Ajang, please.
Okay, hi, smart listener. We are from BPEC Makassar. So yeah, actually BPEC is the oldest community in Makassar, especially learn English. And yeah, actually we have a social activity every Sunday. It is free for you. We can conduct in multimedia in front of Muhammadiyah University of Makassar, and we have 6 items we will offer to you. Is number 1 is who am I? If you the first if you newcomer, you can introduce yourself. And the number 2 we have ice breaking. We will play a game related English. Number 3 we have D&D. And firstly we will discuss, and after that we will debating. I really believe it will improve your English, especially your confidence if you diligent to join with us. Number 4 we have building skill. We will learn, and we will learn about the grammar or something like that. This is the theory about English itself. We have, and number 5 we have entertainment. You can show in your ability. This feel free to you, like it is included with the participant and also committee. And the last we have announcement. You can share in your information, like probably scholarship, or you wanna invite participant to join your activity, like wedding party or a birthday party or something like that. I think that's all. We will pass for Kak Rifa. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome, and that's so clear. Yeah, there's a lot of activity that BPEC is offered to you, smart listener. If you want to join their weekly meeting that hold every Sunday, yeah, and it is free of charge. You can join them free. Yeah. So, smart listener, and I'm going to ask you guys. I'm curious actually. How often do you buy or I don't know get stuff from other countries? The import stuff. How often you shop the import stuff?
Okay, me first, yeah. Me is a half traveler, yeah, and half a normal human being. I'm not a typical that when I go abroad or for traveling, I'm not a typical that I'm looking for or buying some stuff, whether it is a local brand itself or by import brand itself. But how do I face it? That's just like I'm wondering to see some of the people, especially that the traveler from Indonesia, they prefer to spend their money for buying some import or expensive stuff from our country. But unfortunately, because we cannot spell or mention some brands, that brands, and yeah, I think it's like something not so. It's not ordinary situation anymore. That especially the woman's habit, because they love for shopping. Yeah, I think when women. If you the real woman no shopping, it means that you are the real woman.
Okay. So how about other, Mr. Isan? How often you buy something expensive or maybe coming from abroad?
No, I never go abroad, but really I had both import stuff. Unless my football shoes.
Oh, only football shoes. Okay.
But yeah, unfortunately we cannot mention that, like
the brand.
The brand, okay. But I prefer the local product.
Local product.
Yes.
Okay. So, you more how to say? You more often buying the local product
Absolutely.
than the import product.
Absolutely.
Okay. So what about you, Achan?
Okay, so actually I often book product from the another country because I think we have several like application. It will really give me discount, for example, and it's very cheaper rather than in the local product. But yeah, I probably 2 until 3 I book a product from another country because I think that as a young we have to give the base, because in this era we like we have to because I have environment also, we have to follow in our environment, like they have a good product, and I think if I also need to book this product because it's cheaper, right? This several cheaper, right, rather than in the local brand, because for example it's discount, right? And because we have like corporation to because like several application like Shopee, for example,
e-commerce.
E-commerce.
Marketplace.
Marketplace. I mean,
Marketplace.
And sorry. And I sometimes to book this product in there. I think that's all.
Oh, I just know the import brand or how to say the product that comes from another country is cheaper than our
just several
product. Oh yes. So Adele.
Yes, actually I really love about import product, but if I want to buy something, I have to compare with the best. This is safe or not, or for the containing, this is halal or not. So I really love import product, but I have to compare what is the best local or import. Is if local product is more good, so I prefer to local product. I mean, so this is more step for me.
Oh,
So safe is the first for me before buy.
so you have to compare
Yes.
first. So which the best one
Yes.
is
Bye-bye.
the local
Yeah.
or the international brand?
Yeah, this
or-
is important things too before we use
Yes, yes.
this product.
That's a girl.
Oh.
That's a girl. Well, we'll continue our conversation, smart listener. But from you, from yourself, smart listener, how often do you buy the international product or another stuff from another country? Yeah, not a local brand. So you can join our conversation and tell your story through our WhatsApp 0811 461 1011, and also you can join our live streaming on YouTube channel Smart